YAML. Prerequisites. Name AWS account. Purpose to access and manage AWS services, including ECS. Explanation: ECS is a managed service within the AWS ecosystem. You need an active AWS account to create and manage ECS clusters, tasks, and containers. Name: role or user with ECS permissions. Purpose: to interact with the ECS API and manage ECS resources. Explanation: you'll need an role or user with the necessary permissions to create, start, stop, and manage ECS clusters, tasks, and containers. This ensures secure access and control over your ECS resources. Name: Virtual Private Cloud VPC. Purpose: to provide a secure and isolated network environment for your ECS clusters and containers. Explanation: ECS clusters run within a VPC, which defines your network topology and security settings. Having a VPC allows you to control subnet allocation, security groups, and network access for your ECS resources. Name: subnets. Purpose: to allocate IP addresses and define the network range for your ECS cluster instances. Explanation: you need to specify subnets within your VPC where your ECS cluster instances will be launched. These subnets provide the IP addresses and network connectivity required for your ECS services. Name: security groups. Purpose: to control inbound and outbound network traffic to your ECS cluster instances. Explanation: security groups act as firewalls, allowing you to define which ports and protocols can be accessed by your ECS instances. This helps protect your cluster and containers from unauthorized access. Name: container images. Purpose: to provide the actual application code and dependencies that will run in your ECS tasks. Explanation: you'll need Docker images containing your application code, libraries, and runtime environments to run your applications within ECS tasks. These images are deployed and executed on ECS instances. Name: task definitions. Purpose: to define the configuration and resources for your ECS tasks, including the container image, CPU and memory requirements, and port mappings. Explanation: task definitions are YAML files that specify how your tasks will run, including the container image, resources allocated, network configurations, and other settings. This allows you to manage and scale your ECS applications. Name: ECS cluster. Purpose: to group and manage your ECS tasks and resources. Explanation: an ECS cluster provides a centralized environment for deploying, managing, and scaling your ECS tasks. It acts as a container for your ECS resources and provides orchestration capabilities. Name: load balancer optional. Purpose: to distribute traffic across multiple ECS tasks, ensuring high availability and scalability. Explanation: while not mandatory, using a load balancer with ECS allows you to route traffic to multiple tasks, preventing single points of failure and enhancing performance. Name: logging and monitoring tools optional. Purpose: to collect logs and monitor the health and performance of your ECS cluster and applications. Explanation: integrating logging and monitoring tools helps you track the performance and health of your ECS services. This enables you to identify and resolve issues, optimize performance, and ensure the reliability of your applications.